Wanna know how to learn English or using Buddy AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Buddy AI application and you can just simply open up any level that you like. So now I am on my first level right here and you should be exploring a human house. This is how you can just simply start the core of English. So you will be getting 3 cards where you can just simply see each of these cards as 3 of these options. So one is fish, cat and another would be dog. So this is how you can easily learn it. Now you can just simply follow along to the level as well. So next thing, you can just simply hop on to another level as you can see right here. Now it's the same thing, 3 different cards. You can just simply learn it by just simply selecting these cards right here. Now it's a test for you. Now it will say which one to choose. So it says fish. I'm just going to select fish right here. So I'm going to get rewards for that. Now I should select a different one just like this right here. And that's it. This is how you learn English. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.